Hi guys! Today I want to tell you a story about friendship. Once upon a time, in a big jungle, there was a clever fox named Reza. And a wise lion named Golamali. They were good friends, even though they were different animals. One day, Reza found a big piece of meat while exploring the jungle. He was excited and wanted to keep it for himself. When Golamali saw Reza with the meat, he asked, "What did you find, Reza?" Reza was unsure if he should tell Golamali about the meat. But he knew it was important to be honest with his friend. So he told Golamali about the meat he found. Golamali smiled and said, "That meat is yours, Reza. You found it, so it belongs to you." Reza was amazed by Golamali's kindness. He had thought Golamali might take the meat from him. But Golamali showed that true friends respect each other's things. Reza offered to share the meat with Golamali. But Golamali said, "No, Reza. It's yours to enjoy." Reza and Golamali's friendship grew stronger, because they trusted each other. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful.